I want you to not only find whatever it is that you came into this room for, but I want you to have a transformative experience and make yourself open to whatever else the universe and the energy in this room is going to bring to you, because it is going to be so much more than what you expected when you walked in.
This is my third time coming to Elevate and Inspire. I already know I've left here with so much clarity in like what I'm going to market with my offers, the direction I'm going to take, the sales mechanics and stuff that is needed, and then things that can improve and refine my business.
Every part of this, honestly, has been so inspiring.
There's a big amount of magnetic energy happening, a lot of self-discovery, and a lot of opportunity.
There's always something between you and the outcome that you desire.
Because I'm so tired of a culture of do what I did and you'll also be successful, and it doesn't work that way. What I want to do instead is just remind you that you are connected to the extreme truth of the universe, to source, to God, whatever you call it, and that is your guide in business.
Like, it's all inside each one of you. Each one of you has magic. It's a matter, can you see it?
So I believe in business being wildly simple.
Because when you are calling in abundance or financial abundance, a lot of other things come with that embodiment. Who you are, who you can be to hold a certain level of abundance.
The difference is really, where does your brilliance exist? Does it only exist in here? Because if it only exists in here, it's only ever going to exist in here. We want to get comfortable with extracting our brilliance, with systemizing our brilliance, and being okay with letting it be easy.
You're all brilliant, you all have expertise, and it's finding a way to connect with people and making a difference in life. That's it.
I'm really excited to just be a part of this and grow. Met some really great people, had some really great breakthroughs, and it's good stuff.
Everybody in this room has something to give and to gift that other people don't have. We have to own that.
I am feeling so amped up about my business and that I have everything it takes to be successful. I'm loving this, and I already can't wait for next year.